If you switch to Firefox thinking your data was completely safe from corporate tracking, you are only half right. Out of the box, standard Firefox quietly logs your interaction history, bundlewares third-party ad platforms like Pocket directly into your toolbar, and routinely phones home to Mozilla with diagnostic telemetry. If you want a browser that actually respects your privacy, you shouldn't waste time running a dozen manual configuration tweaks. In under 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to install a completely scorched earth open source engine called LibreWolf. This is LibreWolf. It is an independent, community-driven fork of Firefox. But unlike standard browsers, it doesn't wait for you to configure security. Now, if you go to librewolf.net, and then we scroll down and you'll see installation, and we select this, and then you can select your operating system from the list. And the exact second you install it, every single piece of Mozilla diagnostic telemetry, search query data logging, and background tracking is completely compiled out of the engine. There are no toggles to flip because the code required to phone home simply doesn't exist on your drive. And better yet, it comes pre-packaged with uBlock Origin already hardwired to its absolute maximum defense tier. No setup, no tracking extensions required. But the real magic is in the network layer. Standard browsers leak your physical local network IP address past your VPN using a protocol called WebRTC. LibreWolf blocks this leak path by default, keeping your real location completely masked. Now, if we go to browserleaks.com and we do a WebRTC leak test, we can see that there is no leak. It also natively forces resist fingerprinting. This tricks tracking scripts into seeing a completely generic fake screen size and standard system fonts, making your device invisible to online profile builders. And also, when you close a tab, LibreWolf automatically vaporizes your local session cache, history, and cookies. This is enabled by default, and if we go up to the 3 lines in the top right hand corner and go to settings, then go over to privacy and security, and then if we scroll down, you will see clear cookies and site data every time you close LibreWolf. This is automatically selected for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.